Morning traders, Nick Massandrea, Market Tea Leaves. It's here to give you a market bias video for Friday, March 31st. It's approximately 5 minutes after 4 a.m. Today is the last trading day of the first quarter, or first calendar quarter of 2017. We would take a look at the Asian markets, or the overnight session in Asia. Basically, it was trading to the lowest, to the downside, if you will, with the exception of the Shanghai and Singapore exchanges, which traded up somewhat. Currently, right now in Europe, and as current and ongoing, Europe is open trading. All of Europe is trading to the downside. Now, if we were to take a look at market correlation as it stands, U.S. dollar is trading higher. It's been trading higher pretty much all morning long. Energies in terms of crude is trading lower. Financials in terms of the bonds is also trading lower. Metals in terms of gold is also trading lower. And the indices themselves in terms of the S&P, NASDAQ, Dow Jones Industrial Average also pointing to a lower open. Now, if we were to take a look at economic news we have on the docket today for the U.S. markets, we do have quite a bit. In fact, you could say it's a mini tsunami, if you will, in terms of economic news. At 8:30 a.m. we have core PCE price index, personal spending, personal income. We have an FOMC member speaking at 9 a.m. We have Chicago PMI at 9:45 a.m. We have another FOMC member speaking at 10 a.m. These are all pretty much major improved market movers. At 10 a.m. we have revised University of Michigan consumer sentiment and inflation expectation. These are not considered to be major because they are revised numbers, and there is greater weight associated with preliminary as opposed to revised. All this being said, a bias is neutral, and the reason why I'm suggesting this is the markets don't seem to have very much of a sense of direction. Financials in terms of the bonds are trading lower. Metals in terms of gold is also trading lower. In theory, the indices themselves should be pointing to a higher open, or I guess a positive open, if you will, and that's not happening right now. Given that the market doesn't have very much of a sense of direction, a bias is neutral, which means the markets could go in any direction today. Something to be mindful of trading. Could this change? Absolutely. Anything can happen in a volatile market. Thanks, hope this helps. Look forward to the next time with you.